फर्स्ट पहलगाम, उसके बाद इंडिया और पाकिस्तान का कॉन्फ्लिक्ट फॉलोड बाय अब एयर इंडिया का क्रैश। आई थिंक इंडिया नीड्स अ ब्रेक। सिमिलरली अगर हम वर्ल्ड स्टेज पे देखें तो यूएस, चाइना, रशिया, यूक्रेन, अब इजराइल इन द मिडल ईस्ट, it feels almost as if the whole world is on the edge. Coming back to the crash, just 32 seconds after the takeoff, the Boeing Dreamliner plunged into a residential building, killing 241 people on board and many other on the ground. Although we will all anxiously wait for what was the reason for this accident, but at the same time, कुछ ऐसी चीजें, इतनी सारी स्टोरीज मीडिया में आई हैं, they are hard all to ignore. लेकिन one thing that took my attention, which I wanted to share with you all, was which I call the one factor. We all know that universe works in mysterious ways. जिन चीज़ों के हमें आंसर्स नहीं मिलते, हम उसको लक, डेस्टिनी या फेट का नाम दे देते हैं। कुछ ऐसा ही मैंने ऑब्जर्व किया इस एक्सीडेंट के साथ। फर्स्ट एक पैसेंजर इसमें मिरेकुलसली अलाइव निकला और उसका सीट का नंबर भी था 11A. So one passenger alive and the seat number is 11A. Secondly, one passenger could not make it to the flight because she was running 10 minutes late. Thirdly, as the expert said, it's a 1 in a 1 billion chance that a Dreamliner like this can crash. And finally, it's the first time ever that a Dreamliner has crashed like this. So as you can see, a lot of ones and a lot of first times in this whole accident, which begs a question, is it just a mere coincidence? The next area of focus will be what comes out of the investigations. I think वो बहुत ही important होगा सब families के लिए to get a proper closure. I hope कि इन चीज़ों में से कोई भी चीज़ ना निकले investigation में। One, human error, चाहे वो पायलट के बिहाफ पे हो, पायलट्स के बिहाफ पे हो, या ग्राउंड स्टाफ के बिहाफ पे, या कोई शॉर्टफॉल इन एनी मेंटेनेंस वर्क विच कॉज दिस क्रैश, और द एयरक्राफ्ट वाज नॉट वर्दी ऑफ फ्लाइंग, एंड फाइनली अबव ऑल एनी चांसेस ऑफ सैबोटाज, कि किसी ने कुछ ऐसा ना किया हो विच मेड दिस प्लेन crash. Other than that, if there was any mechanical failure, कोई engines में problem या software का issue था, I'm sure then the manufacturer will be held accountable and then they can deal with it between the carrier, governments and the manufacturer. As the whole of India mourns, my thoughts and prayers are also with the families who've lost their loved ones. It's a tragic loss and we can't even imagine the grief that they're going through.